Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss ambiguity in technical writing. Let's first discuss what is ambiguity. Ambiguity is a word or a phrase or a sentence that has more than one possible meaning. So when it has more than one possible meaning, it becomes unclear which meaning is intended. This ambiguity in a sentence can be created through multiple ways. First is through word meaning. If confusion is created through word meaning, we call it lexical ambiguity. Like if we are using the word bark, bark has two meaning. The tree covering is also bark, dogs barking is also bark, so it can create confusion which meaning we are intending. Second is sentence structure, the ambiguity that can be created through sentence structure. We call it syntactic ambiguity. Like when you say I saw a man with the telescope, so it is not clear that you saw a man who had the telescope or you saw the man using the telescope, so it creates confusion. Third is through punctuation. If you make wrong punctuation, the sentence can have altogether different meaning. When you say let's eat grandma without punctuation after eat, so it becomes completely different sentence. So first sentence mean that you're asking that grandma should be eaten. You are ready to eat grandma. And in second sentence, you are inviting grandma to eat. In short, if we talk about ambiguity, it is when the reader, listener cannot understand and ask you, wait, which meaning did you mean? तुम बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो? So that is ambiguity. So what does ambiguity do? It mislead reader, it create confusion and delays, and it reduces clarity and professionalism. Now let's see the example of different kind of ambiguities. The first is lexical ambiguity, the ambiguity that is created through word. Like when you say the bark is rough, so you're not clear about the bark of tree that is rough or the dog's bark that is rough. When we say he went to the bank, bank can be the bank of river or bank can be the financial institution, bank where you deposit the money. When you say she can't bear the pain, she can't tolerate the pain and she can't give the birth to bear. She can't bear the pain. Next is the crane is flying. The crane is also a bird and the crane is also a machine. So if you use technical your brain and common sense, so you believe okay, the crane is we are talking about the bird that is crane and that is flying, but it is not clear. Next is they found a match. Match also means a romantic partner, matching, and match also mean matchstick, so it becomes unclear. He likes rock. Rock is also rock music, rock is also stone and geology. Next, when we say she is looking for a bat, she is looking for a basketball ball bat, baseball bat, or that flying mammal that we call bat, chamgadar. Seventh number, next example is the seal is broken. Now, the seal can be official stamp, and the seal is also marine animal. So, which we are talking about, we don't know this. Next is he is drawing. What is drawing? Creating a picture or pulling something, because what we do is this is also what we call drawing. She left the port, left the harbor, or left the fortified wine. It is not clear. So, such are the lexical ambiguities. Now, let's look for the syntactic ambiguity, the ambiguity that is created through the sentence structure. First, for first example, the example is I saw the man with the telescope. So, here we can have two meaning. He saw a man with the telescope. The first meaning can be I used a telescope to see the man, or I saw the man that had the telescope. So sentence is not clear. So we need to make it clear. Next is the chicken is ready to eat. Now chicken is cooked and is ready to be eaten by others, or the chicken is hungry is not clear. Next is visiting relative can be boring. So it is not clear that going to see relative is boring or relative who are visiting us, they are boring. For next example, she likes dancing more than her husband. Explanation is not given here. She likes dancing more than her husband. So the comparison is between dancing or her husband, or the comparison is she likes dancing then her husband likes dancing is not clear. Now for next example, they are hunting dogs. So it is not clear that dogs are trained for hunting or people hunting for dogs. They are hunting dogs or they are hunting dogs is not clear. He painted the wall with cracks. So the wall he painted had cracks, or he used the cracks to paint the wall. Means cracks design to paint the wall. Next is I shot an elephant in my pajama. So the person, he wore the pajama when he was shooting an elephant, or the elephant was in the pajama is not clear. I shot an elephant in my pajama. So elephant was in the pajama or the person shot the elephant wearing the pajama is not clear. Next is the professor said on Monday he would give an exam. So it is not clear that professor would announce exam on Monday or he will give exam on Monday. For next example, she spoke to the boy with a kind smile. So it is not clear that she had a kind smile or the boy had a kind smile. She spoke the boy. If punctuation, if the pause is like she spoke to the boy with a kind of smile, so the boy had kind of smile. She spoke to the boy with kind of smile, then she had a kind of smile. So there must be proper pause and punctuation and there should be clarity. He looked at the girl holding the flower. So it is not clear that girl was holding flower or he was holding the flower. Next, third kind of ambiguity that is created through punctuation. When we say let's eat grandma, so it is not clear we are eating grandma or inviting grandma to eat. So there must be, with this sentence, the meaning is let's eat grandma. We are going to eat grandma. So there should be a punctuation here to make the sentence clear. Let's eat grandma. When you say let's eat, my friend. I enjoy cooking my family and my dog. So if you don't put the punctuation mark, it means you are saying that you like your family to cook. You like to cook your family. आप अपनी family को ही cook कर देते हैं. So rather there are three different things the person is saying. So there must be punctuation. I like cooking, my friend and my dog. मुझे cooking पसंद है, मेरी family पसंद है और कुत्ता पसंद है. We are going to next example. We are going to learn to cut and paste kids. So without punctuation mark, the meaning is that you are physically going to cut and paste kids. आप बच्चों को काट कर पेस्ट करने वाले हैं. So and the second meaning is आप बच्चों को बोल रहे हैं to let's go and learn how to cut and paste. So here must be punctuation. We are going to learn to cut and paste kids. Most of the time travelers worry about their luggage. So here if we read like most of the time travelers worry about their luggage. It is time travelers or it is time, most of the time travelers worrying about their luggage is not clear. So these two words may come together if we don't put punctuation marks. So it would be sound like most of the time travelers जो समय को travel कर रहे हैं. Next is stop clubbing baby seals. So if we put punctuation here, then we are telling baby seals to stop going to clubs. But if we don't put the punctuation mark here, the meaning is that we are hitting the baby seals. Next is don't call me stupid. So for the first sentence, you are asking that do not insult me by calling me stupid. And if you put a punctuation mark, you are telling other person don't call me, मुझे मत बुलाओ गधे, stupid. So the here stupid is like an adjective you are using for other person. So here is completely two different meaning. Next is I like eating my friends and my family. So in this sentence you are eating you are eating your family and friends. But if you put a punctuation mark, you are telling your friends and family that you like the action of eating. Next is, what is this thing called love? So if you don't put punctuation mark, it is a philosophical question. If you're asking about कि प्यार क्या होता है, so what is this thing called love? But if you're telling using the adjective, you love as an adjective for a person, so you must put a comma here. What is this thing called love? ये क्या है प्रिय? वी आर गोइंग टू ईट किड्स, मतलब आप किड्स को ही खाने वाले हैं. और अगर आपने यहाँ पे पंचुएशन मार्क लगा दिया, सो यू आर टेलिंग द चिल्ड्रन दैट यू आर गोइंग टू ईट. So let's see some more sentences with ambiguous sentences with meaning. So here is this one sentence called I saw her duck. Now duck means pet duck, and duck also means lowering the head. So it has two possible meaning. I saw her pet duck. I saw her lower her head. So write specific. For next example, he gave her cat food. So उसने उसको कैट फूड दिया, कैट को खाना दिया. और अगर आप यहाँ पे पंक्चुएशन लगा देते हैं तो उसने अपनी बिल्ली को खाना दिया. सॉरी, यहाँ पे पंक्चुएशन, ही गेव हर कैट फूड. ही गेव फूड टू हर कैट और ही गेव हर सम कैट फूड. नाउ अनदर, अगेन द विजिटिंग रिलेटिव कैन बी बोरिंग. So it can be boring to visit relatives, or relatives who visit can be boring. So make it clear. The chicken is ready to eat. So there are two possible meaning. The cooked chicken is ready to be served, or the chicken is ready to have its meal. For next example, I will speak to the students with principal. I will speak to the student with the principal. So now it is unclear that the principal and I will speak to the students, or I will speak to the students who are with principal. Next is, the man saw the girl with telescope. So it is not clear the man is seeing the girl who had the telescope, or he saw the girl using the telescope. For next example, she told him that she loved, he did not know. Now it is not clear whether she told him she loved someone but he did not know, or she told him that she loved him but he did not realize it. Next is, I shot an elephant in my pajamas. While in my pajamas I shot an elephant, or I shot an elephant that was in my pajamas is not clear. This example, she likes dancing more than her husband. So it is not clear that she likes dancing more than her husband does, or husband likes dancing, or she likes dancing then she likes her husband. उसको अपने डांसिंग से, हस्बैंड से ज़्यादा डांसिंग पसंद है, या उसको डांसिंग अब उसके हस्बैंड को जितना डांसिंग पसंद है उससे उसको ज़्यादा पसंद है, इज़ नॉट क्लियर. सो मेक इट क्लियर. आई वॉज द बॉय विथ बाइनोकुलर्स. अगेन यूजिंग बाइनोकुलर ही वॉज द बॉयज, आई one was the boy, or I was the boy who had binocular is not clear. Next, we saw her duck under the table. So make it clear whether we saw her pet duck under the table, or we saw her lower her head under the table. He fed her dog biscuit. So he fed her dog biscuit, or he fed her dog biscuit must be clear. He gave her dog some biscuit, or he gave her some dog biscuit must be clear. Next is, he took a picture of the girl on the beach. Now it is not clear that he took a picture of a girl who was on the beach, जो कि बीच पर थी, और while on the beach, जब वो बीच पे था, he took a picture of a girl. Next is, the professor said on Monday he would give an exam. So on Monday the professor would give the exam, or he will, on that day he will announce the exam is not clear. Next is, they are hunting dogs, which is not clear that they are the dogs used for hunting, or they are searching for the dogs, they are hunting for the dogs. Next is 16 number example, he loves cooking his family and his dog. So it is not clear that it should be like he loves cooking, he loves his family, and he loves his dog. So it is clear by punctuation mark. I saw a man on a hill with telescope. So it should be like, using a telescope I saw a man on a hill, or I saw a man on a hill who had the telescope. For next example, I spoke to the child with a kind smile. So with a kind smile she spoke to the child, or she spoke to the child who had kind smile must be clear. He looked at the girl holding a flower. So he looked at the girl who was holding the flower, or holding a flower, he looked at the girl, should be clear. I met the man who owned dog yesterday. So yesterday I met a man who owned the dog, or I met the man who owned the dog yesterday, should be clear. For next example, student who fail the test often drop out. So student often drop out if they fail the test, or failing the test causes the student to drop out, must be clear. She almost drove her kids to school every day. She drove her kids to school every day, and she driving also means bhaga dena. So that sense should be clear. She compels her kids to go to the school every day, or she drives and leaves her kids to school every day, must be clear. The old man and woman sat quietly. The old man and the woman sat quietly, and the old man and the woman. This is a confusing example. Let's leave it. I gave a cookie to the child in the blue shirt. The child is wearing blue shirt got the cookie, or I was wearing a blue shirt when I gave the cookie to the child, should be clear. Now, next example is we saw bats flying in the cave. While in the cave, we saw the bats flying, or bats flying inside the cave was seen by us. It should be clear. The repetition of this example, let's eat grandma. So, we are inviting grandma to eat, so we must put punctuation mark, or we are willing grandma to eat. We are going to eat our grandma, that's no punctuation mark. The cat chased the mouse with a toe. So let's be clear about the cat used a toy to chase the mouse, or the cat chased the mouse that had a toy. I told him I love you. So it's not clear. I told him I love you, or I told him you love me, is not clear. The children painted by the teacher looked happy. The children that the teacher painted in art looked happy, or the teacher painted children looked happy, is not clear. The teacher gave the student with a long hair of book. The teacher who had long hair got the book, or the teacher with a long hair gave a book to the student. So be clear about it. Again, let's see some more ambiguous sentences when we say he told his friend he was wrong. So here it is not clear. He told his friend you are wrong, or he himself was wrong. The manager discussed the project with the team on Zoom. So the project was discussed on the app called Zoom, or it was a Zoom based project, is not clear. We support teacher with resources. So it is not clear that we provide resources to support teachers, or we support teacher who already have resources. We support teacher with resources. So you are supporting the teacher, or you support the teacher who already have resources, is not clear. She was the monkey with the telescope. So she used a monkey to watch the telescope, or she was the monkey that had a telescope, is not clear. This example, visiting relative example, we have already done. He didn't tell her mother that she won. So it's not clear that he didn't tell her mother that the daughter won, that her mother won. This is clear, unclear. Next is he broke the mirror while dancing. Now it is not clear that he broke the mirror as she was dancing, or while dancing she accidentally broke the mirror. The teacher asked the student to stop talking loudly. So the teacher loudly asked the student to stop talking, or the teacher asked the student to stop talking loudly. Who is talking loudly is not clear. In loud voice, the teacher is asking the student to stop making noise, or the student who were making noise speaking loudly were asked to keep quiet by the student. Next is they agreed that she should leave, that he should leave. They all agreed that he should leave, or they agreed with him that he should leave, is not clear. They agreed that he should leave. She said he saw her duck. Pet duck or head bent down is not clear. The child hit the man with the stick. So child used a stick to hit the man, or child hit the man who was holding a stick, is not clear. Duck example we have already done. The scientist studied the rat in his lab. So scientist saw the rat in his lab, or he did the study on the rat on his lab is not clear. Flying planes can be dangerous. So act of flying the plane can be dangerous, or the plane that are flying in the air can be dangerous is not clear. They said that they would arrive next week. So they said that arrival would be next week, or they said next week that they would arrive is not clear. We watched the movie on the couch. While sitting on the couch, we watched the movie, or we watched the movie that showed a couch scene is not clear. On the couch means on the topic of couch. He gave a book to her sister that had a blue cover. So it is not clear that she gave a book that had a blue cover to her sister, or she gave her sister who had a blue cover book another book. Is not clear. The girl saw the man with binoculars. So girl saw a man who had binoculars, or using the binocular is not clear. I'll talk to the students about discipline tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll talk to the student about discipline, or I will talk to the student about tomorrow's discipline issue is not clear. So these are the kind of ambiguity that are created in the technical writing. We must be very precise and very clear, because when we are making any kind of communication, our prime aim is to pass the message as clearly as possible. Thank you.